5 years ago, this is how 3D printers sounded: raw, loud, and painfully slow. Today, the story is very different. Faster motion, cleaner detail, quieter passes. Stick around till the end, then decide what made the difference. This was my very first 3D printer. No silent drivers. No fancy motion tuning. Just curiosity, a spool of filament, and a lot of failed prints teaching the basics layer by layer. One of my first successful objects looked simple, but it took forever and sounded like a factory. It taught me calibration, adhesion, and patience, the foundation for everything that came next. If practical designs, clean step-by-step guides, and fast iteration sound like what's been missing from your workflow, you're in the right place. Around here, the goal is simple: save hours, dodge headaches, and push print quality further with every video. If that's your vibe, tap subscribe so the next tutorial lands right in your feed. Drop a comment with the biggest print issue to fix next: bed adhesion, input shaping, or slicer profiles. The most requested topic becomes a dedicated video, and I'll pin the chosen idea below. Those early wins taught me the rules: calibration, adhesion, and the patience to try again. And once the basics clicked, the next step felt obvious: make the lab quieter so the work could get faster. Then came the silence. I upgraded the original machine with silent drivers and brought in a second printer that was whisper quiet out of the box. The same obsession, now with less noise and a lot more consistency. With the room finally calm, testing sped up. Clean airflow meant smarter cooling pads, tuned tension gave tighter belts, and the first layer started landing like a stamp. Tiny tweaks compounded into predictable results, project after project, because quiet machines make it easier to hear what a print is trying to tell you. And once reliability stopped being the bottleneck, focus shifted to what actually matters: useful parts that solve problems, smarter slicer profiles that anyone can replicate, and results that hold up in the real world, not just pretty benchies for the shelf. When the room got quiet and results got repeatable, there was only one frontier left: speed. This is where Clipper changes the pace. Clipper offloads the heavy lifting from the printer's own board to a more powerful computer, allowing it to calculate movements with incredible precision. The result? We're not just talking a little faster. We're talking 4, 5, even 10 times the speed of those early days, with features like input shaping that cancel out vibrations in real time. It means you can print at speeds that used to be impossible without turning your model into a mess of ringing and ghosting. Quiet was a milestone, but not the destination. There was still a speed limit. This is the Creality K1 running Clipper, and from this point on, pace and precision finally live in the same frame. So, this channel isn't just about printing faster. It's about printing smarter. It's about using technology like Clipper to break through old limits so you can spend less time troubleshooting and more time creating. We'll dive deep into tuned profiles, practical upgrades, and real-world tests to show you exactly how to get these results yourself. This is where the real fun begins: documented, repeatable, and ready for you to try. If this is the kind of progress you want to see in your own projects, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because we're just getting started. We'll be covering tutorials on optimizing print quality, sharing various designs optimized for 3D printing, and exploring together how technology advances. Now it's your turn. Tell me in the comments, what's one 3D printing lesson you learned the hard way, and what would you like to see next on this channel? I read every single comment, and your ideas will shape the future videos on this channel. The story continues. See you in the next one.